MLA ka penthor kra ba Bah Hek minta ka sngi ula pentep ba ulada bentho sho menteri rang ba ka jala u konrad ke sangma halor ka jingja ba sngosi halapalang ka balashim no ya ka mensim jang ki laingut ki nong bala bat arngut ki bala lej banyaram habakran ba kilat pathai ko bor u ba Bah Hek ulaong ba kini baro ki ba khlad ki de na ka longyeng ka badok ba mat ki de ru ki ba pendap ya ka yeng ka sam shu uang ba ka jingdu ka ba khrau ka de ya ki arngut ki samla ki bala mat lang ya ka jingja ba sngosi kat ba ki dang let yaram u Bah Hek ulaong ru ba ula kerpa di menteri rang ba om de e tang ban siu bailut ksan henry ru ban ai ka jing ithuh ya ka kam riewshlur jongki
A letter to the Honorable Chief Minister because that is very sad incident happens where we have lost three people, three laborers and two who went to rescue them. So because they all belong from the very poor family and also only the earning uh, heads of the family who's earning for the family. So we have lost also two boys who from the Nepali community who went to rescue those victims. So my humble request to Honorable Chief Minister not only to give the ex gratia whatever compensations to them, but for this family of these two boys also, they should be recognized in some form of a rewards or award whatever that at least the other people also they'll get the inspiration and encouragement. Regarding the legal or illegal well, that I have no idea also. But anybody think doing the wrong thing, they should be take to task.